I've been on projects in the past that in new integration could take months. We're able to finish it up within 2 or 3 weeks. Everything that Declarative Webhooks does has been invaluable to us. I really don't have a need for a developer to be involved. I'm Tatum Thomas. I am a Salesforce solution architect. I have been in the ecosystem for probably 7 or 8 years at this point. My background is in software development. Learning Salesforce was actually incredibly easy for me, and it's definitely come into fruition with the projects that I work on, which is a lot of like API integrations. I knew immediately just from prior experience that Declarative Webhooks was going to be something we wanted to work with, especially knowing we had planned to do so many integrations. I could do all the planning in the world. It would have never accounted for every different use case that came in with these data feeds. I've been on projects in the past that in new integration, especially when you've got a developer who needs to get involved, could take months. We're able to finish it up within 2 or 3 weeks by being able to have a middleware tool like this that lives right in Salesforce. I would consider user-friendly. I really don't have a need for a developer to be involved, knowing that we're planning on expanding with multiple clients in the future, and every client's always going to have a different tech stack. Some of our clients are using Shopify, some of them are using more of a homegrown systems. I have no doubt that as long as these other tech stacks that we're using have an API, Declarative Webhooks is going to be the platform to process this in the best manner. Working with Omnitoria, especially Lucian on the support team, has been phenomenal. If I run into something, especially when I was first getting started with DW and I wasn't as fluent in some of the features, I could reach out to him and we'd jump on a call. He'd show me exactly how to put this workaround in place or the solution that was needed. They're always looking to implement new features. They're always willing to jump in and help and really understand what we're trying to do with the platform so they can improve it and also give us guidance on the best way to use it. Creating all these new features that really enhance the platform, that's definitely the biggest support that I see, because they're just making more functions and features that we can use to really do things on our own, and that's huge. So the platform has been just growing immensely since we first started working with it. Just about everything that Declarative Webhooks does has been invaluable to us. So anybody who is just trying to do any sort of an integration, especially with APIs or webhooks, I don't think there's another platform I would recommend.